It's an interesting gathering of a lot of learned people in this industry, and it's kind of an opportunity to kind of learn from a lot of different directions as to what people are doing and what the urgencies are in other parts of the country besides our bailiwick in Indiana. You know, it gives you kind of a more of an international perspective on what the issues are regarding water.
Is there anything that has stood out in your mind that you would like to take back to your organization after attending for 2 days?
Well, we are tomorrow. We're gathering with some people about the alternative use of water. Where all of a sudden, with the shortages of water that they're looking to occur, I guess, in the future, they're talking about using gray water, recycled water, and my specialty is rainwater. I think looking down the way that there's going to be a bigger urgency for water, and these people that are in the room here today are going to be at the forefront of finding solutions to those problems.
When it comes to water efficiency, what do you think needs to be done to get more people thinking about the things that they can do to help conserve as much water as possible?
Well, regrettably, usually it always takes a crisis to get people moving, and I think they're starting to see that in Atlanta and out in California, where there are some significant water shortages. Looking down the road, the people out in west are depleting the Ogallala aquifer 10% faster than it's being replenished. So I think sooner or later there will be a crisis, and I think that is when it will be front and center in people's attention.
What do you think the ultimate value of putting on a symposium like this will be, not only in the short term but the long term, especially when a movement like the green movement and the new emerging technologies are just starting to take form?
Well, I think the big thing I'm seeing is just the sharing of ideas, the getting the perspective from the folks in India, and again, what's looming down the horizon. I think the reality of it is the UN says that by 2025, 40% of the world is going to be in a water deprivation situation, and it's some to the point that there will not be the ability to sustain life as is now being experienced. So these people are trying to come up with solutions to anticipate that need before it actually becomes a critical situation.